Alright, so since the RTX 3050 from Nvidia launched, a lot of you guys have been trying to get your hands on it. Considering the current chip shortage and inflated pricing in the market, the RTX 3050 gives you some really good performance and comes in at a decently affordable price. But it's really difficult to buy one because finding a card at the right price and also finding stocks is next to impossible. But in today's video, I have a solution for you guys. Literally, Easy Peasy Solutions is a website that's based out of India that deals with custom PCs and PC components, and their goal is to give you some really good experience and build your next gaming PC and deliver it to your doorstep. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience of buying an RTX 3050 from MSI on their website, and from ordering it to receiving it, how is the packaging, how is my whole experience buying from Easy Peasy Solutions, and why you should build your next gaming PC from Easy Peasy Solutions. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so before I talk about the MSI RTX 3050 itself, let's talk about the website. Ordering on it is really easy. You can find, products from all sorts of categories. So, not only graphics cards, but processors, motherboards, RAM, storage, power supplies, cases, and you can also get in touch with them to build a whole custom gaming PC for yourself and get it delivered to your doorstep. They deliver pan-India, and wherever you live in India, you will get your PC delivered to you. And ordering from the website, as I said, is really easy. They have multiple payment methods, and they also have really good service before sales and even after sales. So once you have placed your order, you will constantly be getting SMS updates, email updates regarding your order status, where it has reached, when it was packed, when it will be shipped. So you can be safe and rest assured that your money is in the right hands and you will get your product. And talking about delivery and packaging, the packaging of the RTX 3050 that I received was excellent. So first there was cellophane wrapping on a big box. And once I opened that, I found out that the card was again bubble wrapped inside. So there's almost 3 layers of protection. So don't be afraid when you order here, your card or any of your products won't be damaged. There's 3 layers of protection in my opinion. So after the cellophane wrapping and the big box, the card itself was bubble wrapped really nicely, and packaging was good. It was easy to open in my opinion, and everything was safe inside. And you can not only buy a card like this from their site, but you can also buy a complete PC solution from their website itself, and that will be packaged even better so nothing gets damaged in transit. And talking about buying stuff from their website, they don't really play on the cheapest pricing. They want to offer you the best experience, so a premium experience where the sales service is good and you don't have any hassle ordering products from their website. And this card itself is retailing for about 37,500 rupees on their website. But this is not the only 3050 they have. They have 3050s from a bunch of other brands. I will leave links down below to Easy Peasy Solutions website, and I do trust the people there to offer you the best experience. Alright, so that was about the website, but now let's talk about the card itself. This is the MSI RTX 3050 Gaming X 8G. So this has 8GB of GDDR6 memory, and this is the overclocked edition, which comes with 1845 MHz boost clock. So you're definitely going to get some extra FPS compared to the other 3050s in the market, because this does have a slightly higher clock speed from the factory itself. And I think this is the highest factory clock speed in my opinion. The Asus card had about 1807 MHz, so you can expect a few more FPS compared to the Asus card here. And the Asus ROG Strix 3050 and the MSI Gaming X, in my opinion, are going to be the 2 best cards out there in the market when it comes to the 3050. There are again other brands available on their website, but if you want the best performance, I think this is a really good card, and it comes in at a price of 37,500 rupees, which is pretty affordable compared to the ROG Strix card. So again, performance and affordability is coming with the RTX 3050 from MSI. And talking about the card's design and build quality, I really like the design. It is good looking, and it has some good build quality as well. Towards the front it's plastic, but really sturdy and solid plastic in my opinion, and there is a metal back plate on the back, and there's also RGB on this card, so extra FPS for you guys. And you've got again HDMI and 3 display ports. This will also have one 8-pin PCI power connector. A 500 to 550 watt power supply should be enough, and this does support PCI 4.0. Other specs will remain the same: 128-bit bus, 2nd generation ray tracing cores, 3rd generation tensor cores, NVIDIA DLSS, NVIDIA RTX. All the technologies are going to be supported here, and this does have a 14 gigabit per second memory speed as well. And this does have that Twin Frozr 8 thermal design, which is a combination of the TorqueX Fan 4.0 as well as the core pipe technology and the airflow control technology. And all together will help you get some really good temperatures and keep your card stable in longer gaming sessions. So that's the MSI RTX 3050. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely recommend you guys check out EasyPC Solutions for any custom gaming PC needs, or if you want to buy individual components like this. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.